It is hard to convey intangible suggestions in the rigid forms and patterns of words. What I felt then was a kind of fear. The man for whom this story is told may or may not be alive. The cold, heavy air of my room was threaded with sounds which appeared to have no point of origin, and which was as much a vibration I felt through my skin as a resonance in my ears themselves. Perhaps the slither of a snake's scales across a stone floor. Even treachery to a friend can be the lesser of two evils.